Volimo Slavoniju.
Volimo hitove.
Slavonski radio.
We had a plan, move out of this town, baby, west to the sand. It's all we talked about lately. I packed the car, bring your guitar, and Jane for smoking. First thing at dawn, you'd cue the songs and we get going. But you went home, waited on the porch for you, sat there alone. All throughout the morning till I got a hunch down in my gut and snuck around the back.